Guys, check this out. So this is the closet I'm building right now, and I thought, why not put a hidden compartment in it? Because I don't know if you know, but in between joists on second floors, there's always like space. There's always so much space. So I'll show you what I've done. Look in here. I've got a coat rack. It's covered in sawdust, but I'm not done with any of this. But first of all, I made this so this turns, and then from here, if you look, a cable comes down the wall into here, and then goes over, and then there's a latch here, and then and when I finish, you're not gonna be able to see it, but I'll just sort of show you the behind the scenes. So I turn this, and that makes that open, and then that's gonna hold some cool stuff. But I mean, every single second story has these weird spaces in between the joists, and I was like, man,
You gotta use it.
I gotta use it, right? Because secret compartments, I don't even know why, but anyways, so yeah, this, when it's all finished, I'll show you the finished video too, but I just thought I'd show behind the scenes. One thing that you have to do if you're gonna put one of these lift supports is you have to have the latch and then the hinges so that the latch and the lift support is in line with the latch and then supported by the hinges on both sides. Otherwise the whole door will tweak and you'll get warping and stuff like that. So that's how that works. You can sort of see in the wall right there. So yeah,
That's so cool.
sweet. So yeah, that's a easy way to make a hidden compartment. And then when I put the laminate flooring, I'll match it up just right so that when it shuts, it's like super flush. But a little hidden compartment. All right guys, here's the finished product. You see it? I showed you all the innards of it. You turn that and then opens that up. Not quite sure what to hide in there yet, but I don't know. Probably be able to hide something pretty cool in there. And then, yeah,
Got that
pretty
all
good.
covered.
And that's all patched up. I need to finish painting that, but yeah. And then I'll put my shelves and stuff in there, but